puta, paano na yan? Tapos ngayon, mananakot kayo. Pakukul, tarantado. Mali yun. I-affect the Constitution. What is stated in the Constitution, whenever there's a question sa health ng Presidente, the Chief of Staff, the defense officials, and the Department of Foreign Affairs and the Executive Secretary will not be barred, will not be hindered in knowing what is the actual condition of the President. Ba't yun yung gawin? At ipalam nyo sa taong bayan. Nakalagay sa Constitution nyo, you do not violate the Constitution, nor you do not cover what is actually happening. If the President is dead, you announce the President is dead. If the President is intensive care, under life support, then we'll pray for him. But he has to be replaced. Inday Sara has to be sworn in. You do not cling on to power because the power is not yours. The power belongs to the Filipino people. That's why we are all concerned. And you do not tell us